There is, therefore, now no condemnation to those who are in Christ Jesus, who do not walk according to the flesh, but according to the Spirit. Romans 8, verse 1. I know you already know, but God promises never to leave us nor forsake us. I am back with another video. If you are new or returning to my channel, welcome. I'm Erica. Stay tuned. This is my braiding pattern. It's nothing fancy all the way back. My braids, I have 8 and I do have 4 join-in braids together, but in total there's 8. Now I will be using 2 different hair in this install today. It's a short video, but basically the hair that I will be using, I've used them both before together, and it is the Hawaii curl, which is 20 inches long, and it's a little bit more on the coarser texture. So this is what the hair looks like, and in case you guys did not see my previous install, this is what it looks like. And this is the other hair. This is the ocean wave, and I will also link that video as well below. And pretty much the difference in both these hair is that, of course, the color and the texture. The ocean wave, which I used at the back, it is between 20 to 22 inches long, and it is more on the silkier texture, so you do have to knot it a little bit more times if you do plan on using it, whereas the Hawaii curl, it is a little bit coarser in texture and the color is beautiful, and you don't have knot that too many times. So I just, for the install here, I did the ocean wave at the back because it was longer. And of course, what I did for the Hawaii curl is I installed it at the front. Now, for those of you that have been watching my crochet video installs, you do know, or I think you know, that I like to use as less hair as I possibly can, simply because I like the natural look. I did go ahead and use 4 packs of hair in total, so I used 2 packs of the 1B27 at the back for the ocean wave and 2 packs at the front for the Hawaiian curl. Someone had asked how to do my, invisible knot method, which is what I do at the front part, or the front portion of my hair. And I'm not going to do much talking, so hopefully you can watch, and hopefully this will answer your question. For the invisible knot method, whichever way I want the hair to fall, I'm going to pull out the hair from the opposite end. So I'm just going to take that one strand of hair and I'm going to knot that and pull it through, and then now whichever the way I want the hair to fall, I just pull it down. For the opposite side, I do the same thing but opposite. I hope that does make sense to you. So this is how I do my invisible knot method. I'm going to do it a few more times and hopefully you'll kind of get the gist as to what I try to explain. Now, thank you for watching. This will conclude my crochet braid install video. If you do like videos like these, please do not forget to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell for future uploads so that way you will not miss any of my videos, and it's free. Stay tuned for my next video. God bless. Until then, bye.